What is it that has caused, I take your point that there is demand that is going to require a tremendous amount more electric power than we're generating today. But what is it that has taken a very controversial production source, nuclear, and made it one that is acceptable to socially responsible investors? What's changed?
I think it's the fact that nuclear actually has zero emissions or close to zero emissions. And then it's also the fact that when it comes to product safety, any issues around nuclear safety tend to be exacerbated. But if you look at them actually in some sort of analysis, you actually realize they have less upheavals or issues around product safety than even wind and solar. So I think it's the whole idea of responsible investors just taking a step back and really thinking critically about nuclear power and the pros and cons, which is something we do at Calvert, where we've been doing responsible investing for over 40 years, but really taking a more nuanced approach when we look at the sectors or trends or companies in particular.
Interesting. All right, let's move on to our second stock here, and that is Lennox International, climate control products company, up slightly so far this year. What made you lean toward this one?
The reason why we like Lennox is because it's a leader in energy efficient residential and commercial HVAC products that both lowers like energy use and carbon emissions. So climate control is actually a key pillar of global adaptation for economies and populations, as buildings account for about 1/3 of emissions, energy emissions. So elements of the IRA actually will benefit the like of Lennox, such as the electrification of heating, such as heat pumps. So as IRA provides tax credits at point of sale rebates, this can equal to thousands in savings around high efficiency HVAC. And then also, we also like Lennox also because it's a pioneer in HVAC equipment recycling, which is also positive for the environment.
All right, let's move on to the final buy, and that is Waters Corp. Shares down about 9% so far this year. Testing equipment for PFAS chemicals, also known as forever chemicals. They're common in consumer products, and you say that this could be a key growth driver as more municipalities and others require testing of those PFAS chemicals they're in everything, including the artificial turf surfaces in some allege.
No, I absolutely agree with everything you said. And then this month alone, actually, we saw the EPA act in two ways, where it set new drinking water standards. And then we also saw it designate like 2 forever chemicals as hazardous substances. Then one of the other things why we like Waters Corp is that it's just not a U.S. company. It's actually based in Massachusetts, but it actually has operations globally. And we're seeing this whole PFAS issue take on a global scale, where we're seeing regulations in Europe. We're also seeing New Zealand and the likes of Australia, and also like specific like U.S. states start to set up some sort of controls around this PFAS issue. So we think that given the fact that Waters Corp has been, investing heavily on R&D on ways to test for PFAS, we actually think it's really well positioned to take advantage of this testing as this testing ramps up, and especially given the global footprint that it has.
And we asked you to give us a top pick for a company that is not on your sustainability list, but you see making progress, and you chose the maker of Barbie, Mattel. That was our mystery chart, by the way. What potential do you see there?
I think Barbie's story kind of pivots us, it takes us away from emissions. And another environmental topic that we're very keen on is just the whole idea of plastics. So the issue with plastics is that it's not biodegradable, or it doesn't biodegrade. And so the toy industry, though, is one of the highest like plastic intensity industries in the consumer goods specifically. And so Mattel, we like Mattel because it's a turnaround story that we like in regards to like it's set up like really good targets around achieving.
Can you recycle Barbie?
100%.
Can you recycle Barbie and melt her?
It actually does, actually. One of the key things about them that I thought was interesting is that they have this Mattel Take Back program.
Right.
That also includes Barbie, and you can actually you can actually send back your old Barbies back to